All right, I'm going to go over real quick what the video is about here. So if you have an issue where you've got a new one-page website or you just don't have much content for your website, it's a new site you just launched, you may be running into this issue. So for Google to find you, you got to make sure you have relevant content. You have related keywords and actually talk about the keywords in your titles, in your description, in your content, in the alt tags on the images. FAQ sections can be helpful too. And then having a blog or extra section also will help. If your site has zero content related to the keywords you want to be found for, Google simply won't rank it for those terms. So adding those will make a big difference, and adding more pages and interlinking them together will also help. I'll touch a little bit on creating city and service landing pages also. And then to take it a step further, you can search with Google Search Console to see if your site is actually being found, and then you can improve your site speed, backlinks, internal links, mobile friendly. All these things will help. Today we're just going to touch on the content and seeing why that's not being found. For a brand new website, new domain, new business name, why you're not being found for certain keywords and how to be found in your location. So reviewing the site here today, you just have a one-page website. There isn't a ton of content. I did add today a meta title and a meta description. So it now has a location and the primary service, and then also have a meta description that also says that reviewed the H1 and H2 here. We can see what's on the current site. So there's things that we could definitely improve there. And then also looking at the images, I titled the images and alt tags. So they're off of polygraph tests and then also lie detector tests. And then reviewing some ideas here in SEMrush will give you an idea of other keywords, the volume of people searching, and the keyword difficulty of these different keywords. So we can see for this example, polygraph test, the top websites. Then you can look at the websites and see what they're doing. And if we go back to your website, we'll see that if we look for polygraph test, that's not even on the homepage, so Google doesn't know your website is about that. So we'd want to add content around that. The same thing for lie detector. We have lie detection. It's the only thing that's found once. So I looked at this also. You can see near me, a lot of people searching. Not very hard, difficult. These are the top pages. We can click on them and see what they're doing for those pages. Use ChatGPT real quick just to write some little bit of content that would fill those gaps for the polygraph examiner, the location, and then also to add in lie detector and polygraph. And here's even just adding this little bit of content on the homepage would help. And if we want to take it a step further, we create separate landing pages for each service in each city location. So you would talk just about lie detector tests in Phoenix, Arizona, or Buckeye, Arizona, and so forth, and have a page for each one, which would then help you be found for those services. So just giving you a quick overview on that, and that should help you going forward.